Hey, static happens, and it's so common after a load of laundry. You could use sheets or purchase dryer balls, but another solution is this stuff. Here's how to make DIY dryer balls. Aluminum foil isn't just for the kitchen, it works for your laundry as well. You'll need a few pieces of foil to create a 2-inch ball. For best results, use 2 or 3. These go right in your dryer with wet laundry. The foil will help discharge static, and those balls will keep laundry separated and speed up drying. These are reusable, and because they're aluminum, they're recyclable. No more static cling. Now that's a problem solved. This looks like a job for me. I don't think this sponge is gonna be enough, and there's not enough elbow grease in the world. Here's how to scrub away tough, stuck-on messes. For a tough mess like this, a standard sponge is not gonna be enough to cut it. But this isn't a problem. I'm gonna show you the secret tool. Aluminum foil. You just need to ball this up and use it as a scrubber. This stuff will be abrasive enough for those stuck-on messes. This is coming out like butter. Just like that, this pan is clean. No soap needed either. Probably give it a quick rinse anyways though. Just scrub lightly and all that should come right up. And this works especially well for cleaning cast iron. And for a grill pan, it'll form to those grates. Foil can also do the job cleaning up those barbecue grills. It really is working. Look, this grill was filthy. Don't use this trick on non-stick or enamel pans. Metal, of course, can ruin the coating on these types of pans. The next time that sponge isn't enough, foil to the rescue. Drips, splashes, and spills are common, but who wants to scrub an oven? Here's how to protect your oven from unexpected messes. The best way to clean a mess is to prevent it from happening in the first place. To keep that oven clean, all you need is aluminum foil. If you're cooking a dish that could bubble over, first lay down a piece of foil. That way the foil will catch any drips. If things get too messy partway through baking, just replace with a clean piece of foil. For a longer-term solution, I like to do a full lining at the bottom of the oven. Make sure to do this while the oven is cool. Don't block any openings or heating elements. This will make it a breeze to clean up and replace. Now the next time there's a mess, it's easy clean. Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these two right here.